Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on Mexc exchange. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to launch your Mexc app. Now, if you don't have an account on Mexc, make sure that you create one in 2025 because currently they are giving you $8,000 worth of USDT in your account if you sign up through the link that is given in the description. So here, once you are on this page, simply tap on the trade option in the bottom and you need to just keep it as on spot in the top and then tap on this drop down menu and search for Sol USDT. So once you are able to find Sol USDT, you need to simply select it. Then you need to enter the amount of Sol that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase 2 Sol, then it will show you the equivalent amount of money that you need to spend, which would be $296 based on the current pricing of Solana. But let's say you want to change the pricing, you want to make this order as your pending order when the price of Solana come to 140. So now you will have to pay 280 and so on. So you need to tap on the buy Sol option, and if you select the pricing, your order will be in the open orders section, and when the pricing of Solana comes to the price that you have selected, which is 140 in my case, and it is less than the market price, then my order will be executed and I will get Solana in my account. But if you want to buy it at market price, first of all, instead of limit, select the market price, enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend, and then simply tap on the buy Sol option, and this way also your order will be placed. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.